Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Physiotherapy Australia series. This is me, Dr. Mariam Sharif, with another very demanded video. And the topic of this video is: Can I give APC during my studies? And smart preparation, important topics and tips so that you can ace your exam. A lot of people texted me, sent me DMs regarding this. So I thought, why should I not make a video so that you can get benefit out of it. And please watch this video till the end, because this has so many informative tips and tricks for you and you would not want to miss it. Yes. So the most commonly asked question from me was, can I take APC exam during my graduation? Can I take APC exam before bachelor's? No, you cannot, buddy, because you need to have certain requirements before sitting in the exam, and that is that you should have a bachelor's degree, that is entry level physiotherapy degree, or and the transcripts of your degree. But one thing that you can do is you can get yourself prepared beforehand so that you do not waste your time, money, and effort. Another thing that you can do is improve your English language proficiency. Either you have to prepare for IELTS or OET. For IELTS, you need to score this 7, and for OET, you need to score this B. It is always a good option to prepare yourself during university for these two tests, because it will save your time, money, and effort. And obviously, by the time you will graduate, you would have these tests with you. Not two, but either of them. Please understand the APC pathway as early as possible. You need to understand its eligibility assessment, its written assessment, and its clinical assessment. That it has overall 3 parts, 2 exams and 1 eligibility, so that you prepare yourself according to that. I would recommend you to watch the official website of APC and start preparing yourself during 3rd year and 4th year, final year. The link to the official website can be found in the description below. Number 3rd and most important is you can save your notes of neurology, musculoskeletal, and case studies. See, most part of the APC exam, MCQs or clinical assessment is based on musculoskeletal and neurology and cardiology and other, subspecialties. So whenever you take notes, keep them safe with you. Don't throw them. Don't just take it lightly. Take it serious. And जब भी आपको notes बनाएं, अपने पास संभाल के रखें, उनकी photocopies करा के रखें, और इस तरह से notes बनाएं that आपको वो कल को काम आए. Okay, so next most important thing is that you have to observe and practice SOAP notes writing. What is SOAP? SOAP. S is subjective, O is objective, A is assessment, and P is plan. Just plan your notes writing accordingly, because this is going to help you in your field in future. Either you take APC or not, but these things going to help you how to assess a patient, how to do clinical notes, and how to be a good physiotherapist when you know all these things. Coming to the next, you have to keep your logbooks and case studies with you. During our clinical settings, we used to say, oh God, these logbooks are too annoying. Why are we doing this? Why our supervisors are telling us to fill the logbooks and do the case study? Excuse me, this is very important. You are in a clinical role. You are a physiotherapist. You are supposed to treat the patients. You are supposed to take any exam which deals with the clinical caseload. So you need to keep a copy of your logbook with you, because sometimes APC might ask you to provide them a proof that you have done clinical assessments, you have done clinical caseloads. So keep the copies of your case studies and clinical logbooks with you. So next is, please be active and get your hands on clinical practice, the real clinical practice. You need to understand that doing patients and observing patients is a different thing. So, and you need to understand that you need to do patients physically and actively, because this is going to help you and make you confident when you would be solving problems of MSK, neuro or something. Then you will feel confident, because अगर आपने already वो cases देखे होंगे, आपने उनको practice किया होगा, आपने उस तरह के patients को deal किया होगा, treat किया होगा, then it would be easy for you. Next is, when you are in your final year and your teachers remembers you, then please ask them to write reference letters for you, because in future when you are going to take APC exam, they might ask you to provide reference letters, clinical reference letters from your supervisors or teachers. And when you are studying, your teachers remember you. When you are not and you are gone, then you are go and gone. So this is important. Yes, you. if you are not able to take or sit in the APC exam yet, but you still have time to get yourself prepared for that amazing exam so that you can be a good physiotherapist, you can practice as a physiotherapist in Australia. It might seem difficult for now, but this is not impossible. You still have time, plenty of time. Uh, don't stress out, don't waste your time, don't waste your money. Just focus, because this, you can do it. If you want to get free APC checklist for the students, please comment below or send me DM on my Instagram, which is Physiowell by Dr. Mariam Sharif. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below so that I can make new videos on your new queries.